Let's see it, Liv. Liv. Let's see it. Nicely done. Lucy is 6 months and 3 weeks old today. She's gonna be 7 months on in 5 more days. But look at her. Look at her. Whoa, Nelly.
Does this one have pop?
Okay, Lucy. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Good job, Lucy. Again, clap, clap, clap. Yay, good job.